WhatsApp introduced a new feature allowing users to mute statuses. This lets you focus on the content that matters. What's a muted status? It's a status update from contacts that you won't receive notifications for. Previously, muted statuses were hard to find. But now, they're easier to access with the latest update. Let's delve into how to find these muted statuses in just a few simple steps. Open your WhatsApp, go to the Status tab, and scroll to see all your contacts' updates. Remember, muted statuses won't show notifications, making it easier to browse without distractions. This feature promotes a more controlled engagement with your contacts. Use this update to keep your WhatsApp experience refreshing and distraction-free. Now, go ahead, explore your muted statuses, and enjoy a seamless messaging experience. Stay updated and make the most of WhatsApp's features for a better communication adventure. Remember to let your friends know about this feature so they can benefit too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.